What's good, gang? It's your boy J Ham coming back at y'all with another video. And before we get started with this video, I do gotta say, and I'm gonna say this in every video that I post until this cam get given away. Your boy doing the BTR NSR Karen giveaway. Soon as we 800 subscribers, I thought we was gonna reach it by today, but we did make it. I ain't tripping because we still making progress. Slow motion better than no motion. I'm gonna say that to the end of my last breath. All right, put it like this. Right now, we are at Train to Go headquarters. Another thing, I'm wearing Dirty Grind. This is the vice president in the car club. This is his clothing line that he just started. We got some more merch dropping soon. Get with your boy if you want one of the shirts. Drop a comment or something like that. Email, anything. But it's called It's a Dirty Grind, because we all know if you're a construction worker, you working hard, you slaving, you getting your bread, it's a dirty grind. We all know that, man. We all know that. So whatever you doing, however you get your money, you working hard for, you hustling, it's a dirty grind. But we're at Train to Go headquarters. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. Let me show y'all how lucky this man is to be alive. Praise God. Praise everybody, man. Because it's just a doom buggy world today, huh? Swinging. Let's go. But
you recording that?
Like I said, yes ma'am. Praise God that him, his wife, and his son is safe, y'all. All they had was bumps and bruises. But the car is like maxed out, y'all. And we all know how these cars is made, these older cars, what they made of. And it still like torpedoed it, basically, in so many words. Like, check this out, y'all. Oh, look at this. But, man, this is like sad, y'all. We got I'm just gonna record the video, y'all. I'll do some explaining right here, though. Like right here, he hit his head. His wife was sitting in the passenger seat. He was driving. His son was in the back seat. He jumped in front of his wife, so she wouldn't hit her head. And I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this like bulge right here, that's where his head went, and it shattered the whole glass. I told him, dude, you got a head on you. Your head is hard. I call him blindside now, y'all, because I don't know if y'all remember how blindside. Let me see, can I put it in this video, how he stuck his arm out to stop the little boy from getting hurt. That's why I call him blindside now. But as y'all can see, the box, the AC box, how it bent up and basically came apart. And now he wasn't driving fast. He just got a 305 in here. Even when he did have a race car, he really didn't drive fast. He more of a cruiser. But what happened was, he was riding down on.
Landau was fighting.
Really?
Last night.
Who won?
Him.
For real? He was riding.
Bella was pregnant, so we had to stop them.
Riding down the street, and a car pulled out in front of him. When they pulled out in front of him, you know, it was too late. Nothing you can really do at that point. But towed the car up. I'm glad it wasn't no newer car. Like, if it was a newer car, I think it would have been way worse, y'all. Like I said, they only came out with bumps and bruises, which is a blessing. Because look, y'all, ain't no way. I've never seen one of these cars like this, like, in person. Like, to the point where it bent the frame. Like, that's the frame hanging down. And then it knocked the exhaust down. So it knocked the exhaust down, bent the frame, buckled the roof. It buckled the roof. As y'all can see, it knocked the door all out of place. Just the rim, how I did the rim, the barrel and all that. I'm gonna walk to the back of the car. This right here just messed all that up. Like, this side right here is basically perfectly fine. It's just, that's about the only thing on this side. It's just that up there, and then the gap. It messed the trunk up also though. said mess the trunk up because, as y'all can see, it threw it offline. You're not supposed to see how it do, but it hit hard. If y'all wanna follow his Instagram for his upcoming builds, that's the Instagram name right here. That's how you can follow him and stay in contact with him. But yep, this is the car, y'all. I was been supposed to do one of these videos of the car, but I wanted to wait a little bit, give it a little time. But yeah, this it. He good. Stay tuned for the remix. He should be coming home in a little minute, y'all. But I don't know if he want to say something to the camera. You know, stay tuned. I don't know what he wanted to say. But yeah, I just had to show y'all how the car look. Y'all stay safe. Make sure y'all stay blessed. Stay sucker free.